would arrive, she'd never be alone, have someone to hold. And when nights were cold, she'd say, the world's not perfect, but it's not that bad if we got each other, and that's all we have. I will be your mother and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you when the world's not perfect, when the world's not kind. If we have each other, then we'll both be fine. I will be your mother and I'll hold your hand. You should know I'll be there for you. They were 90 and we're living out the days on the west side of the city, next to where they got engaged. They had pictures on the walls of all the memories that they made, and though life is never easy, they were thankful that they stayed with each other. And though sometimes were hard, even when